Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out a new mascara that I picked up at Walmart, and this is from Covergirl. It's the Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara, and it's a 3-in-1. It has primer, serum, and mascara in it, which really catches my attention because I use a lash serum, a lash primer, and a mascara every day, and I am very obsessed with taking care of my lashes, and this is supposed to help with less lash fallout and growing your lashes to look better in as little as 4 weeks. So I love mascaras like this. And this is also cruelty free. It cost about $10 at Walmart. And I'm very picky with my mascaras, but this is supposed to give thicker, longer, and stronger lashes. It's supposed to, of course, plump them up, give some volume, which is definitely what I look for in my mascaras. This has hyaluronic acid and bamboo serum. It's also gentle on the eyes. It's easy to remove, so that is great to help prevent lash fallout. And I really like this purple packaging. So let's get into it. First things first, let's see how the wand looks. Ooh, it's kind of a big wand and it is curved. So hopefully this won't be too messy, like getting mascara all over the eyelid or under eye. But let's go ahead and jump in. By the way, I got this in the shade Black. And I'm gonna start out just applying it to one of my eyes so that I can show you the difference. I love when right away it's coating all of the lashes root to tip, and with just like a quick swipe it's already looking really good, because it'd be so nice if I don't have to just sit here and layer and layer. And the fact that it's making a nice impact on the lashes right away is something I love to see. However, I am definitely getting mascara all over my eyelid already, but no clumping. The lashes are staying separated. So that is a great first coat. I'm definitely hoping to be able to add some volume, get that plumping effect that it claims, because the lashes are pretty much just looking coated, darker, defined, longer, but not very volumized just yet. But before I try and layer it up for that volume, I'm going to see how it is on the lower lashes. I'm nervous I'm going to get mascara all over my under eye though. I will say the big curved wand makes it a little difficult to get these lower lashes. I mean, if this was the only mascara I had with me, this is fine for the lower lashes, but just to lightly coat them so that they show up. But I can't really go in with much more or else I'm going to cause a difficult mess. But let's see if it does just brush away. Yeah, it does come off of the eyelid pretty easily with minimal smudging, so at least it's easy to remove. But now let's see if I can build up that plumping, volumizing effect for these top lashes. I like that there's no clumping still, and the lashes are a little bit more volumized, looking a little darker, looking nice and lengthened, but I'm not really seeing the plumping, volumizing effect that I was hoping to see. It's kind of just like a normal mascara in terms of how plumped my lashes look. But I like that they are staying separated, not sticking together yet. So they're looking good. I was just expecting more volume. And so much mascara on my eyelid here. But yeah, let's see. I think you have to let it dry down and then it will brush away, because trying to rub it away right now is giving some smudging. And I think I do have to go in with another coat to try and build it up to the volume that I want. So initially I'm not feeling too impressed by this. It's just like a regular mascara. I mean, the lashes look good. I like that they're not sticking together, but I was hoping for more volume, which it is buildable. I am able to build up the volume, but it takes longer than I was expecting it to take as well. But at least this is nourishing the lashes and benefiting the lashes while I'm wearing it as well. And if it is my serum and primer in one, I guess I can spend a little bit longer taking the time to apply it to build it up. Because now I feel like my finished effect is looking pretty good. It's giving a full fanned out look. So even though the lashes are not super volumized, they look nice and full because they are still separated. I don't like how much mascara I keep getting on my eyelid. That's annoying. Because if I had eyeshadow on, it would be ruining the eyeshadow. But this finished look is very nice. So let me give you a zoomed in view of how my lashes look with it versus without it. I mean, they look great. At least the finished look is really nice, but is it worth how long it takes to build up? Is it worth how messy it is on the eyelid? That's where I'm not so sure. Like, there are easier to use, faster mascaras out there that I would find myself reaching for before this one here. So this one's good, it's not bad, but it's not my favorite. And to show you the difference with it not fully built up versus how built up and volumized I can get it to, so it does build up nicely. I'm not finding this to be very curling or lifting either. Like, the lashes are still looking pretty straight. I didn't use a lash curler before this. And so here are my finished lashes. I just feel like this took forever, and I just know that I'm not really going to be reaching for this. But if you have any recommendations for new great drugstore mascaras, please let me know in the comments down below, because I love to try those types of products out. And so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.